In this video, I'm going to show you how to crochet your solid granny squares that you are going to need to make for your Crochet Society advent calendar. Each day you are going to need to make 2 of these with the colour of yarn that was in the appropriate box for the appropriate day. So when you get your new ball of yarn every day, your first job before your appliques is to make 2 of these granny squares every day. I'm just going to show you how to make one in day 1 colour, but you need to make 2 of these every day for the full length of your advent calendar. So without further ado, grab your larger size hook and let's get crocheting. Round 1. With the larger of your 2 hooks, you want to make a magic ring, and into that magic ring you want to chain 5. This chain 5 counts as 1 treble crochet and 2 corner chains. Next, into your magic ring you want to work 3 treble crochet and chain 2 a total of 3 times. So that's 3 sets of 3 treble crochets with a chain 2 space in between each set of 3 treble crochets. Then to finish, you want to work 2 more treble crochet into the magic ring. Pull your magic ring so that it closes up nice and tight. And then you want to finish the round by popping a slip stitch into the 3rd chain of that chain 5 from the beginning of your round. Then you want to work a slip stitch into that first chain 2 space and turn your work. And that completes round 1. Round 2 starts with a chain 5. Then you want to work 2 treble crochet back into this same chain 2 space. Then you want to work 1 treble crochet into each of the treble crochets from the round below. And then you want to work 2 trebles, chain 2 and 2 more trebles into that chain 2 corner space from the previous round. And you want to work your way around working the same thing, so 1 treble into each of the 3 trebles from the round below, and then into your corner spaces you are going to work 2 trebles, chain 2, 2 trebles, and you want to work all the way around until you get back to here, and into this final corner space you just want to work 1 treble crochet, and this is where I will meet you. Once you've worked all the way around and worked that final treble crochet into the first chain 2 space that we started in, you are going to join to the 3rd chain of your chain 5 from the beginning of the round with a slip stitch, and then you want to finish off the round by slip stitching into that chain 2 space from the previous round, and that completes round 2. To start round 3, you want to turn your work and chain 5. Then you want to work 2 treble crochet into that same chain 2 space that you popped your slip stitch into at the end of the last round. And then you want to work across, working 1 treble crochet into each of the 7 treble crochets from the round below. And then into your corner space you are going to work 2 treble crochet, chain 2, and then 2 more treble crochet. So you want to repeat this set of 7 treble crochets and then your corner work of 2 treble crochet, chain 2, 2 treble crochet, twice more, and then you want to work across and work 1 treble crochet into each of these 7 stitches, and I will meet you back here. To finish off your round, you are going to work 1 final treble crochet into that first chain space that we started our round in, and then you want to join with a slip stitch to the 3rd chain from that chain 5 that we worked at the beginning of the round. Then to finish off, going to work a slip stitch into that chain 2 space and turn your work. Round 4 starts with the chain 5. Then you want to work 2 treble crochet back into that same space, and then you want to repeat the following set of stitches 3 times. You are going to work 1 treble crochet into each of the 11 treble crochet from the previous row. And then into your corner space you are going to work 2 treble crochet, chain 2, 2 treble crochet. What you now want to go away and do is to work this set of stitches, so your 11 treble crochets and then your corner work of 2 treble crochet, chain 2, 2 treble crochet twice more, and then you want to work 11 treble crochet along this edge here. That should take you back to here, and that is the point that I will meet you. To finish off this round, you are going to work 1 final treble crochet into that very first chain space that you started the round in, and then you're going to close the round by working a slip stitch into the 3rd chain of your chain 5 from the beginning of your round. And at this point you can break your yarn, but don't sew in your ends. Leave a nice long tail so that you can use the tail to sew your squares together later on in your calendar.